Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I want you to imagine that you have a customer and your customer asks you to call them back on their number, which starts with 0932. So my question is right away, do you know which network provider that is? And if you don't, no worries. With CouponBet, we can find the answer in a matter of seconds. So what you need to do is log in on CouponBet, and once you're logged in, you can see this is the dashboard. You can see here all the dashboard information, and what we need is the tools. So we click on the Tools tab, and once you click on that, we will see every tool right now available on CouponBet. So let's scroll down to the bottom, and in here you can see the provider prefix checker, and that's what we need. So what we want to know is the prefix and which telecom provider is connected with that. So what we need to do is we need to enter our prefix. The number is 0932. Let's do that right away. And there you are. You can see instantly this is a Sun Cellular phone number. So now you know exactly with which phone you need to call your customer. CouponBet is designed to help your travel agency to be more structured and organized. And if you want to organize your travel agency with CouponBet, just go to couponbet.com, register for an account, and you're ready to go. So register right away.